Hey everyone, it's Deborah and it's Craft Fair Friday. And I wanted to go over bookmarks and faux leather. Or you could use paper, you could use whatever you want, but I'm using faux leather today. And what I did is I went ahead and cut these bookmarks out using my Cricut Maker. And I doubled them up. So it's faux leather. It's faux leather that I found on Amazon. And I did buy the tassels on Amazon as well. I'll try to put a link. I know I bought this a long time ago. So let me go through the faux leather that I have. So I plan on making bookmarks or something else using these two. And then here, this is everything that was in this collection. Look how cute. Bees with the rainbows, and then a solid, and then the daisies. I haven't made that yet. I'm surprised. And then here's another daisy. Cute. And then the polka dot. And then here's what I used to make these projects, the little bookmarks. And I doubled them to make them a little bit more substantial. You don't have to do that, but I decided to do that. And you could actually add charms to this. They would be super cute. And then also what I have left over, I know that I could just cut this down using my trimmer and make another bookmark and not have to use my Cricut. And that's something you can do. You could cut it down using a trimmer and then use a hole punch to punch in your hole at the top. And you could even possibly corner round. I don't know if a corner rounder would work on this, but you could certainly try on a scrap piece. But I think they're so cute, and this would be a great addition to a craft fair. And you can use all different types of faux leather, paper, whatever. You could use a laminator if you use paper, and just use a laminator to strengthen that paper, or heavy duty cardstock, or whatever you want to do. But you could definitely make a ton of bookmarks, and that would be a great addition to a craft fair. Also, you could add, what do you call those? The blind date with the books. You could add a bunch of those and have bookmarks and all kinds of book type accessories added to that craft fair, as a theme too, or just a certain section of your booth, whatever. So I wanted to show you some other faux leather that I have that I can see making lots of craft projects with faux leather. So let me get this kind of organized, get the bee stuff off of here for a minute. Here's some Christmas that I purchased. Those would be great for a bookmark. Stocking stuffers. You can think of different things that you could make stocking stuffers using the Christmas theme. Super cute. But I'm taking a class from Amy Romo on faux leather stuff right now this week and next week and whenever I can get it in. But yes, this is how she inspired me to, do that. So here's some fall themed. These are so cute. You could, definitely make little covers for, well, let me show you something. I bought these off of Etsy from, I think, Messy Best Creations. And this is what she does with hers. She makes the faux leather, and they're so cute. I mean, I just love this. And I think she doubled this up. She had to. like I did with the bookmark. She doubled this up and stitched it. But look how cute that is. I mean, you can make, you know, covers for little mini journals like that. So fall themed would be wonderful. Look at the pumpkin. So cute. You want to keep in mind, if you're going to use something like this for a journal, the direction. So this directional would be kind of hard to make a journal, because it would have to be a very small journal cover in order to use something like that. So keep that in mind when you're purchasing. This would work perfect for this type of journal, because you can do it this way and it would be, you know, awesome to use that. I haven't gotten to the point where I'm making journal covers yet, but eventually I will. I have to learn. But there's so much faux leather out there. And right now, I know Amazon is having their spring sale. I can't remember what they're calling it. But, you know, you might want, if you want to use faux leather or work with faux leather, you might want to look at Amazon. This is just stuff that I've had in my stash for years and have not worked with it until now because of Amy Romo. But I will link her channel if you're interested in her. I know she has some free videos on her YouTube channel, but I will definitely link her. But I love the little bookmarks. Those were so easy. So easy. And just, I let the print do the work for me. I don't even have to decorate this because the print is doing all the work for me. So I was thinking I want to add a charm. Remember all the little charms I've made? But I haven't figured it out yet, but I'd like to add some little charms to it and just have those kind of sticking out of the book. Not the red, but you know, I have all of these that I've made that I haven't used, but you know, I think that would be cute, a very cute addition to these somehow, some way, and I'll figure it out maybe. I don't know, but I wanted to show you these bookmarks. I hope you enjoyed this very short video this Friday, and let me know what you would make or what you have made with faux leather. This is my first time working with it, and it's very, very easy. You know, I don't know if I get into anything else difficult, how that will be, but we'll see. Anyway, you guys take care and have a great weekend. Bye.